Can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. So smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And also subscribe if you are new to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I put a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. yeah, everybody, there also the video, like I said in the beginning, coming into this video to 50 likes. Yes, we can. So smash that like button. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It really helps out with the channel. And also comment, start drawing to read for the comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Vegeta Ultra Ego from Dragon Ball. Hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I really love the color palette I used for Vegeta, the purple feel to it, and also the aura coming out of Vegeta. I think it came out super cool, so hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlist in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description, and I also have a Dragon Ball drawing playlist there, so check that out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.